Good morning, I'm Sue, and welcome to week 11 of Bits and Pieces. This week we're working with eggplant, primrose, and lavender. So those are the three colors I picked for my blocks. And I suggest that you make freezer paper templates of this. So remember, on these two lines here, you need to add a seam allowance either side so that you have the extra little bit on your templates. And you're going to cut 2 of B and 1 of A. So here my templates, and you could keep those. You might like to use them again another time. So again, we're just going to do 1/4 inch seam allowance. Remember, when you put these together, you're always going to make sure that these little 1/4 inch tails are overlapping here, and you should be sewing right from that V all the way down to that V. Then you can turn it and press your seam open, and you will end up with little blocks like this. So we've switched our colors around, and yeah, had fun with them. So those are the 3 colors. And I stitched with number 3 EZM 14. So it's a peachy color, which I thought added some funness. So I have lots and lots of different templates, but this month I decided I'm going to use my dear friend Jen Kingwell's scallop and sawtooth applique template, which she has, and I've used this many times for things on my quilt. And so I'm using the sawtooth one here. So I just placed this on my piece like this, and then drew with a chalk pencil, and then did my stitches in a zigzag. So on that one I just did 1 row. This one I did 2 rows like this. And on this one I did a row this way, and then I flipped it and did a row going that way. So very fun template that I use for applique as well as for marking on my quilts. But I thought it gave a sort of, with the straight lines, a great little bit of movement. So this is her template. We do have them. Yes, a lot of you have them already, especially if you did Flora, we used it. But this is the template, and we'll use it many times throughout the year if you choose to do the little sawtooth or scallops on your blocks. So thanks for joining me, and just a little heads up, those of you that are following along in the same colors as I am, your bundle is up on the website. So we'll have a bundle for month 4. And again, we'll be using lots of the scraps that you have left over. So make sure you keep those safely so that you can pull them out and use them in some of your blocks. So thanks for joining me, and I'm really having fun with this project. It's one of those sort of no-brainer projects, along with all my very intense projects that I do. So I'm looking forward to cuddling up in a nice wool quilt in a few months' time. So don't forget, we have a Facebook group that's open to everyone, and there's some fun things happening in there. So go along and join, and post your blocks, you know, if you're doing things different in different colors, or even if you are doing the same color combinations. We'd love to see them. Also, if you are enjoying this on our YouTube channel, please like and subscribe, and then you will be notified when we post again. So take care, and I will see you back next week.